5 things you should look for when choosing affiliate products to promote. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 5 things that you need to look for when choosing affiliate products to promote. Hi everyone, Paula Walker here, bringing you the best tools and tips to grow an online business. And on this channel, I do product reviews as well as teaching people how to grow an online business. Now, if you're new here, consider subscribing so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video, and any links mentioned in this video you will find in the description below. Now make sure you stay till the end, because I'm going to share the best affiliate program in my opinion and products that have all these 5 qualities. Okay, so when first starting affiliate marketing, is really important that you look out for these 5 things in a product, or else things might just go pear-shaped and you could fall flat on your face, and you don't want that to happen. So number 1, product value and demand. Does the product actually have value? So what this means is, if the product is a bit shady or of low quality, you'll actually find it difficult to sell. And if customers discover that it's a poor product, then you're likely to lose some credibility, and they probably won't ever trust you again. Now I would suggest, which I always do, is test and try out the product before marketing it. Okay, so number 2, the margins. Do you need to sell hundreds of things each month in order to make a significant income, or are there large enough profits margins from just one single sale or numerous transactions from the same customer? Or at least, do they have upsells that they can offer customers that might just boost their sales? So number 3 is tracking. How long are the links tracked in the affiliate program, and are they reliable? In other words, when referring a customer, do you get paid from all the products they ever purchase, or just from the first one? It's important that you check this out, because you could be putting in all the work and then not getting paid for the sales. So you need to check when the links expire and how long they cookie to you. Are they tracked for a month, a year, or even longer, which would be ideal. So number 4, the marketing material. This is critical, and you must find out whether the company has good marketing materials for the affiliates to use, such as high converting sales videos, sales funnels, webinars and events that can help you make sales. So as well as sales teams that call clients, and a good supporting community. You actually need to realize and understand that marketing materials can either make or break your business. And so number 5, integrity. Now you need to ask the question, is the company well known? Do they treat their people fairly? Do they pay when they say they will? This is critical. You must be extremely cautious about who you collaborate with. This could cost you a lot of money and time if you invest all your time and money and then discover that they are not a good company. So if you've done all your homework and you've double checked these 5 items, you should be good to go. And I said earlier that I would let you know about the company that has all these 5 qualities, and that is the Home Business Academy, which I'm part of. And just know that I would never ever promote anything that I've never tried, and I don't believe in, and I don't trust. And I highly recommend this company, as they have it all, and the bonus is that they actually pay 80% commissions, which is not something that you often find in the affiliate world. So I'd suggest you take a look. I'll leave a link down below, and if you need any help with anything, please feel free to reach out to me, and I hope that I've been able to help you decide which products and what qualities you need to look for when choosing affiliate products. So I hope to see you on the inside.